Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Insignia Fire TV. This is a 55-inch part of their F30 series. So here, I've taken it out of the box. Now you're going to want to put it on its face if you're going to be putting the feet on. So there is a piece of cardboard to help protect the screen. Here's all the TV connections, which we'll be going over in a little bit. On the side here, we got HDMI, headphone jack, and you're going to plug the power cord in here. Now it does come with the screws if you want to mount it to the wall with a wall bracket. It says these have to be M6 screws, and that's what it comes with. But we also get a little red bag that's full of these screws. These are for the feet. Now the feet, there is one that says R, and the F is for the front, and one that says left. It does come with a nice Fire TV remote, and it has the Alexa smart speaker that you can speak to it. So when you press this blue button, you can speak into it, and that's like saying the wake word for your smart Amazon's. And it does come with 2 AAA batteries for the remote. And there's the power cord. So on the bottom, it's going to have an L and an arrow. So this is the R. So find the one that says L and the arrow. Line up the arrow. And it's going to go right like that. And you're going to put the screws to mount it right through those 2 holes. And they're going to go into those threaded nut plates right there. That's what these screws right here, they're Phillips. And same with over here. You're going to find the R. Yeah, make sure you line up the arrow. Okay, the power cord is 5 feet long. Now, it will only plug in one side. There is a flat side. So you can see the flat side kind of goes the opposite of the TV connections. But you want to make sure you get that all the way. It should be nice and flush. Again, it's 5 feet long and it's 2-prong. And it says it consumes 120 volts, 60 hertz, 1.15 amps of power. And we can see the power cord is approximately 15 inches from the side and about 6 inches up. So here we have some more TV connections, and they're about 18 inches from the side, about 6 inches up. But we can put an outside antenna on or cable TV in. We got audio video in, optical output, and Ethernet. I love that it comes with this diagram that shows you what this stuff is for. Opticals for audio options, analog. We got HDMI. One is the EARC and ARC. If you want to put a video game console on. And for the VISA mounting pattern for the 55-inch, it's 200 by 200 millimeters. And that's the screws. They're 8 inches apart. It's like an 8-inch square. 8 inches up and down. From the bottom of the TV, about 5 inches. Let's do the side. From the side of the TV, about 20.5 inches. Now let's go over to this side. These are about 9 inches and about 12 inches from the side of the TV. So we have an audio out, which is like a headphone jack, USB out, HDMI 1, which is the top one. That's EARC and ARC, HDMI 2 and HDMI 3. So if we go to the box, we've got some dimensions, overall dimensions, 48.9, 30.3 up. The feet are 10.4 inches. Now the weight with the stand is 29.7 pounds. Now that USB-A output, I cannot find what the power is. How many amps it puts out. That's to power devices like a streaming stick or something. Oh yeah, the TV mounts from the top are about 16 inches down from the top. Looks like on the bottom we got some speakers. Here's a button for the remote. Now it does come with a really nice diagram of everything of what the remote means. We got a home button, navigation button, power. Again, that's the hold down, the voice activate buttons. And there's a microphone on here. Forward, settings, recents, Netflix, Prime Video, DirecTV, and Peacock are the other 2. Okay, here's the front of the TV, the feet. If you're going to use the feet, you need about 43 inches between the two of them to set it on. And it needs to be about 10.5 inches, almost 11 inches wide. Take all the plastic off. Again, this is like the infrared. You're going to point the remote at this right here. And once you put the batteries in the remote and turn the TV on, it should automatically pair. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.